merch! Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very special announcement. I am announcing that I am launching merch for the very first time. I am so excited. I'm actually wearing one of the pieces today. I know that I've been kind of mentioning it and talking about it a little bit on social media, but it is now official. The Nerdy Nummies merch collection is now live. It is now on rosannapansino.com, so you can go there and find all of the pieces. Over the years, I have gotten so many requests from you to make merch. Thousands of requests in person while I was on tour and online, and I'm so excited because I've done it. It's finally here. We've got the Nerdy Nummies capsule collection, all things Nerdy Nummies. I created 4 hoodies, one of them's a crop, and all of them are unisex sizes, so they're for boys and girls, men and women, and all of them come in youth and adult sizes. The youth run from small to X large, and then the adult run from small to double XL. And there's a little bit of crossover. If you are a very small adult, an X small and adult is the equivalent to, I think, a large and youth, if that helps for sizing. This is for everybody who's been watching this channel. If you're an OG, if you've been watching for years and years and years, or you just love Nerdy Nummies, this is for you guys. And then in the future, I may be making new pieces to add. So go to rosannapansino.com to check out the merch now, and I'm gonna show you the pieces as well. Actually, let's start with the one that I'm wearing. This is a full-size hoodie. Ooh. Oh yeah, oh, let's do some modeling. Ready? Oh, nice, nice, nice. Boom, 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 boom. It's black hoodie, smart cookie on the front, Nerdy Nummies on the sleeves, and pockets. Oh yeah. The size that I'm wearing today is actually a youth large. The youth sizes don't have strings for safety, and then the adult sizes have strings. All right, let's get some other ones. Okay, let's see, we've got, oh my gosh, let's grab these. Maybe I should have walked around. Maybe it might have been a better option. No, we got it. Okay, then we have a white Nerdy Nummies full logo hoodie over here. And oh my gosh, this is so cool. I've never had this before. This is my own label. Look at that. Ooh la la. Hold on, let me show you. Oh my gosh, sorry dogs. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, look, I've never had this before. This is my own label right here. Look at that, it's on the inside. I had the label printed onto the tees and hoodies because it's just more comfortable. Tags are itchy. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels like that, but because I'm gonna be wearing these all the time, I wanted them to be comfy. Oh, my foot is in the couch. Ooh, also have the same hoodie but in black, so you can choose black or white, whatever you fancy. Dogs, which one do you like? Huh? You don't know? Then the one that I'm wearing, and this is the adult one with strings. Woo! And the crop hoodie is so cute because there's no logo on the front. It's on the back. Boom! I love full-size hoodies. They're so cozy and I wear them all the time, but I really love the crop hoodie because I wear a lot of high-waisted jeans, high-waisted shorts, and it pairs really well together, and it doesn't actually show very much skin, just like a little bit in between, if that. It doesn't even show belly buttons, so... Oh, Boo Berry, what are you doing? Come here, Boo Boo. All of the hoodies are really cozy. They're fleece-lined. These ones are fun because they have like a surprise on the back. Surprise! A surprise! A surprise! Sorry. Also with the crops, if you want to add a pop of color, you can layer it, or if it's a little bit colder, you can layer the colors. So freaking cute. I just can't. And then, ooh, the last 2 pieces in the Nerdy Nummies capsule collection are these t-shirts. We've got black and white because these are my 2 favorite colored t-shirts. I'm always wearing a black tee or a white tee. It changes all the time, so I wanted to give you guys both options. And again, all of these sizes will come in both youth and adult, and they're all unisex. Boo Berry! What? Do it! Boo Berry! Oh my gosh, you're eating the blanket. Okay, everybody, we gotta get rid of this blanket. I got this chunky throw because it was so cute and cozy, but Boo Berry is just, she eats it. Then she gets fuzz in her teeth like and it's just hanging out. And I'm like, girl, we can't do this every day. Baby girl, we have a merch line to launch. We can't be eating fuzz every day. Okay, this is just not on the to-do list. Come on, we're just gonna have to, come here. I'm gonna take this away. It's not as beautiful, but I'm gonna get you. Ready for this? Blueberry, this way. I'm gonna get you a new blanket that's not new, okay? All right, so just sit here, sit, training, sit. Oh, look what we have, ladies. We've got a blanket. Note to self, find a blanket that the dogs don't eat. Okay, next, last but not least, boom, for the first time ever, we are going to have signed cookbooks. This was really important to me because, again, I got a lot of requests from you guys wanting a signed version of the book. You can buy them online, they're on Amazon or in stores at like Target and stuff, but you really wanted a signed copy, and some of you couldn't make it out to the tours and the meetups, so this is my way of being able to do that, and I'm so excited because we got to thinking and we made it happen, and now there are gonna be signed books on the website. Also, merch fact. My merch ships internationally, ships to over 200 countries. Love. Global love. All right, that does it for everything that is out now for the merch launch. So go check it out at rosannapansino.com. And if you guys get an item like a cool hoodie, tag me. Use the hashtag NerdyNummies, and I will be reposting your guys' pictures and images on @ShopRosannaPansino. So that's the Instagram. It's @ShopRosannaPansino, and I'll be posting your pictures. I am just so excited that the Nerdy Nummies line is finally here. This is something I've also wanted for a bunch of years, and now it's happening. I'm just so excited that the nerdy, I can't even talk. I can't even get the words out. I'm just so excited that the Nerdy Nummies line is finally here, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. I had so much fun making it, and I, again, am gonna be making new stuff. I'm already working on new stuff. Yeah, anyways, I'm so excited about the merch, and I hope you enjoy it, and while you go check it out right now. I have some updates for you. Update number 1, I surprised my boyfriend with a trip to the Taco Bell hotel. That's right, Taco Bell had a pop-up hotel, and these tickets sold out so fast. They sold out in 120 seconds. I recorded the surprise, so I'm gonna play that footage now. We showed up in the evening, and they had a concert going on. The rooms were really cool. They had like a decal painted over the whole wall. There was a Taco Bell decal. The beds had custom blankets and pillows, and a whole snack bar of just these like chips and mini fridge filled with Taco Bell themed food. It was awesome. In the pool area, there was custom floaties and a bar where they were letting us taste test food that hadn't even been released yet. So I think Gold Star did a great surprise for the boyfriend. Now it's his turn to surprise me with a trip. Wink, wink, boyfriend, wink, 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 wink. Wink, 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 wink. I like how my subtlety is just a 0. I'm ready for a vacay, so take me somewhere. The second update is more of a thank you. It's a thank you to everyone who came to VidCon and came to the food panel and the Escape the Night panel. I had so much fun. It was amazing. We talked about everything from YouTube to specifically food stuff to Escape the Night stuff. It was just, I had the best time. At VidCon, I also got to grant 2 Make-A-Wishes. This was so funny. Both the gals were named Emma, and we got to spend time together and hang out, get to know each other, decorate cakes, and it was so much fun. Third update, I was on Neil deGrasse Tyson's podcast. He is my all-time favorite astrophysicist. As a science geek or nerd, he is someone who I really look up to in the science community. He is so knowledgeable and so smart. I got to ask him a whole bunch of space-related questions, and he answered them.
Ro from Nerdy Nummies. She's got a question.
Oh.
Are we ever gonna have a space elevator?
Ooh. Problem is, we know of no material that is strong enough to even hold up its own weight in cable. So we're not there yet. I don't think it's going to happen in our lifetime.
I'll put a link down below if you want to go check it out there. And lastly, I have been collabing a lot. I made a wedding dress cake with my friend Sophia, cloned our dogs with Justine, tried a bunch of weird flavored pies with Colleen. We also made a Lion King themed cake, tried unicorn products, and made some delicious vegan brownies with my sister Molly. And in my opinion, these are the best vegan brownies I've ever had. This recipe is amazing. So if you'd like to check it out, I'll put a link down below to all of these videos, but especially that one because it was so good. I actually made these brownies for a get-together and I didn't tell anyone that they were vegan, and everyone devoured them. And at the end of the night, I was like, those were all vegan. And everyone was like, oh, what? But yeah, go check it out. Anyways, celebrated the 50th anniversary of the moon landing, making a recipe from the Nerdy Nummies cookbook with my friend Timothy De La Ghetto, made some Escape the Night for pancake art with my friend Joey Graceffa, and celebrated Christmas in July on Hallmark's Home and Family by making woven stocking cookies from the new cookbook, Baking All Year Round. Yum, 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 yum. Last update and announcement is that Escape the Night is still airing right now on my friend Joey Graceffa's channel, so go check it out. I'm gonna put a link down below to his channel. And spoiler alert, I'm still alive. Wow! Go Team Cinnamon Roll! I read a lot of fan fiction out there for Escape the Night Season 4, and a lot of the fan fiction were counting me out episode 2. They didn't think that I would last. So to all those fan fictions, I appreciate your creativity, but guess what? But boom, yous are wrong, and I'm still here. Yeah, go Team Cinnamon Roll! Go Team Cinnamon Roll! Team Cinnamon Roll! Team Cinnamon Roll! Whoa, that was my drink. Boom. Also, side note, Joey opened a pop-up, so this isn't permanent, but it's just like right now, so if you're in Los Angeles, this is a really fun thing to do. He opened a pop-up Escape the Night themed escape room. What? It's a really cool way to experience Escape the Night, and especially if you had been meaning to try an escape room, why not an Escape the Night themed escape room? All right, that does it for all the updates. Again, all of the merch can be found at rosannapansino.com. Woo! I'm gonna put it right here on the screen so you can go check it out. I'm so excited. I cannot believe that the Nerdy Nummies apparel collection is finally here. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. If you have any other ideas for any other videos, please let me know. Or if there's someone that you'd like me to collab with that I haven't collabed with already, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And thanks again. Bye-bye.